Okay, so number 9, find the following products in a plus bi form. Remember, the square root of -1 equals I. Again, I'm not going to do any of these, but I will show you an example. So let's say I was multiplying 2 minus 4i times 7 plus 3i. So I'm just going to draw a little box to organize my work. So I'm going to do 2 minus 4i, and I'm going to do 7 plus 3i. All right, 2 times 7, that's easy. 14. 7 times 4i is negative 28i. I should say negative 4i. 3i times 2 is 6i. And then 3i times negative 4i is negative 12i squared. So let's see here. I've got 14 minus 28i plus 6i minus 12i squared. Well, right off the bat, I got two like terms. I'm going to combine those. That's 14 minus 22i minus 12i squared. Now, one thing that's important to remember is that I squared equals -1. So that I squared is going to turn into a -1. 12i squared turns into -1, and -12 times -1 turns into positive 12. So 14 minus 22i. I can combine these like terms because you see, once that I squared turned into -1, I don't have an I on this term anymore. So I can combine those. I get 26 minus 22i. I think there's two things you kind of want to keep in mind. One is a box kind of helps you organize your multiplication. And then secondly, just reminding yourself that like, oh, okay, that I squared is going to end up turning into a -1.